What is good, everyone? Welcome back to another trade recap. Today is April 6, 2026. It is a Monday. Surprisingly good price action for a Monday, but I'm going to be going over the one trade I ended up taking. I took a win of $750 on two accounts, so I'm up $1,500 on the day today. Yo, I'm filming a trade recap real quick. I'll call you back. So yeah, I'm up 1,500 on the day. So let me go over the price action today, why I took the trade that I took, and how it was such an A+ setup. This is the trade that I took. It was a 2-minute long. But let's go ahead into replay mode and see what happened when market opened. All right. So coming into the day, I was looking at the 4-hour chart right here. So I could see that we had an SMT with this high. If we come to ES right here, we have an SMT with this high right here. We hadn't put in these two candles yet, or this candle yet, because this was pre-market. So yeah, had an SMT with this high. Did not really care though, because why? Because when we have an SMT, when price action tells you that it wants to go higher, it does not matter. So 4-hour had an SMT here, but we had obvious buy side right here. We had this high as well. So we drop down to the 1-hour chart. What do I see? I see that there is a 1-hour internal low right here and a couple of draws on liquidity lower. So I was seeing what we could bounce off of. Maybe we could go higher, sweep out this, come back down, or come back down, or come down, take out this 1-hour internal low, and then go higher. So we drop down to the 15-minute chart. What do I see? What is this, bro? All right, so this, yeah, so it's a 1-hour internal as well. All right, so you guys know that's a 1-hour internal, it's all good. So we have a 15-minute internal low down here inside of a 15-minute gap. So what happened is market opened. We come up and we tap into this 15-minute and take out this 15-minute internal high. All right, and I saw some people take shorts. Honestly, I was not a fan of shorts because my bias was bullish. I did not want to take shorts. What ended up happening was we swept out that 15-minute internal high, and then we came back down, took out this low. So now we have turtle soup of a 15-minute low. So we just souped this 15-minute low, and then we had instant displacement through this 2-minute gap right here. Bang, 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 right there. So I set my limit right here, and I just targeted the most recent high, which was the high that swept London. If we go right here, this is the high that swept London. Targeting that, break even at the most recent high right here, and just absolutely bang to TP, bro. Like, I've just been reading price action so good. I'm so happy with my trading. Alhamdulillah for everything. My trading has been so good recently. I'm going to continue to take A+ setups. I'm going to continue to be disciplined, only take those good setups. I'm glad I faded that short because my bias was bullish, even though it did not look like a bad setup. But yeah, I didn't want to just pattern trade. I wanted to actually trade the way that I trade. And yeah, that's how I made 1,500 across both accounts today. And as you can see, for the rest of the session, we just absolutely chopped. Yeah, just horrible. So yeah, that is the trade recap for today. That's how I made $1,500 today. Make sure you subscribe, turn on post notifications to get notified every time I upload a video. And make sure you follow my socials, link in the description, because I'll be dropping heat on Instagram and TikTok. And yeah, thank you guys very much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.